Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a system of equation using the elimination method. The whole point of this method is you want to try and eliminate one of the variables, either x or y, by adding or subtracting your two equations. So looking at this, the first thing I notice is that I have a negative 4x and a positive 4x. So I know that if I add negative 4x plus positive 4x, I'm going to cancel out those two terms, which would eliminate my x value. So that's the first step that I'm going to do. I'm going to add those two equations together. So we add those. Negative 4x plus positive 4x gives me 0. Negative 2y plus 8y gives me a 6y. And then negative 12 plus negative 24 would give me negative 36. Now, in my equation, I'm left with 6y equals negative 36. To solve this, I just need to divide both sides by 6. And then I'm left with y equals negative 6. So now that I know my y value, I can take that and I can plug it in to one of my two equations. It doesn't matter which one. You can pick whichever one you prefer. I'm going to pick this one here so I don't have to worry about the negative sign. So I'm going to write 4x plus, and instead of 8y, I'm going to write 8 times negative 6 because I know that my y equals negative 6. So here's my equation. I'll simplify the left half of the equation. 4x minus 48 equals negative 24. This is negative because 8 times negative 6 is negative 48. From there, I'll add 48 to both sides. And I'm left with 4x equals positive 24. Divide by 4. X equals 6. So my answer is 6, negative 6. To check your answer, you could take either one of the equations and plug in the values. So I take my first equation, which is negative 4x minus 2y equals negative 12. And I can plug in positive 6 for x, negative 4 times 6, minus 2 times negative 6. And if we simplify, this should give us negative 12. So we're left with negative 24. Negative 2 times negative 6 is a positive 12. Negative 24 plus 12 gives us negative 12. And that checks out. So it's one example of how to solve using a system of equations using the elimination method.